Assalamualaikum. Today we're making a traditional delight, Besan Barfi. Soft, aromatic, and full of rich flavor. Start by melting half a cup of ghee in a pan until it's warm and glossy. Add 1 cup of gram flour and roast it on low flame until it turns golden brown and releases a nutty aroma. In another pan, combine half a cup of sugar and 1/4 cup of water. Boil until it becomes a light syrup. Pour the syrup into your roasted besan and mix well until everything blends into a smooth, thick mixture. Add a pinch of cardamom powder for that beautiful aroma and traditional touch. Pour the thick mixture onto a greased tray, spread it evenly, and smooth out the top. Once it sets, cut into neat diamond pieces and garnish with chopped pistachios and almonds. Your soft melt-in-the-mouth Besan Barfi is ready to enjoy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Hijabi Bites for more quick and traditional desserts. Jazakallahu khair. Allah Hafiz.